Hey, this is Chris with Vid Society, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can make a logo for free using the Canva logo creator. So below this video in the description box, you're going to find a link that will take you to this page on Canva's website where you can create a free logo. So you can get more details about it if you scroll down through here, how it all works and all that. But what I'm going to do is jump in here and show you how to do it. So once you come in here, all you want to do is click on Start Designing a Custom Logo. If you don't already have an account set up with Canva, they're going to ask you to create one using your Google or Facebook social account. Super easy to do. Like I said, it is free to do. I have the upgraded version, the pro version. It's like $12 a month, I think. And with that, you get a lot more templates and a lot more stuff, access to different types of templates, media, pictures, images, and all that. So if this is something that you're planning on using a lot, you may want to upgrade as well. Okay, so when you come here, this is their editor for their logo. Now over here on the left hand side, they have a collection here. So recently used, for you, then they have just a breakdown of different types of logos you can use depending on what you're needing to create. Now you can see as I hover over these, this little box pops up here in the top right corner, but on some of them you'll see down here it says free, other ones will say pro. If they say pro, you can't actually use them as a logo unless you upgrade to the pro account, which, like I said, I think is around $12 a month. You can cancel anytime. If you only want to use it for a month or two, you can do that. But what you can do, you can scroll through here and you can look at all the different logos that they have pre-created, or you can come up here and you can just search. So I've already done a bunch of searches here in the past. You can see if we do one for like auto, there's logos here that you can create for the auto industry. There are ones, let me close this, and we'll do, say, restaurants. So maybe you want to create a logo for a restaurant. We can scroll down through here. There was one I found I really liked earlier, this one here. So if I click on this one, it says here there's two different versions of it, one with a white background, one with a darker. I'm going to go ahead and just choose the one with the white. You can see this is a pro version here. So if you want access to this one, you will have to upgrade. But just for sake of this example, I'm going to click on this. And it opens it up here in this box where you have full control over editing the text, the fonts, the colors, the size, pretty much anything you want, adding your own background to it if you want, and more. So we can come up here and say we want to change the name of this from Gordonson's. I can just click in the box. We'll double click, it pops up here. I can highlight it, we'll hit delete, and we'll say maybe Thompson's. And then let's go ahead and highlight this text. If we want to keep it this way, that's fine. I come up here and I can bold it. And then we can change, if we want to make it bigger, we can make it bigger. And you can see in the background the light gray here. So this is actually what it's going to look like when it's done. So we could make it a little bit bigger. It kind of stretches it a little bit too much though, so we're just going to leave it like this, and we're going to click off of it, and you're going to see it just puts it right back here the way it was. The same way with this text, you can click in here, you can rotate it, you can move it, this little fire emblem, and this is the way it is with all the logos and examples they have here. You can click on it and it brings up the color palette here. You can see the two colors that are used in this logo, this dark gray and the orange. So we could change this fire color if we wanted to maybe red. That actually looks pretty good. And then if we wanted to change this text, we could click there, come up here, and we could choose the same red. And then maybe we wanted to change the text down here to say local. Let's make sure it's selected here. Local spicy foods. And so that actually looks really good. Now, if you want, you can come over here, and there's a lot of other things you can do with this, but for the sake of creating these ones that are already made, the pre-made templates, you can have one of these logos done in just a matter of a couple minutes. But you can come over here also to elements, and there are tons and tons, thousands, tens of thousands, probably millions of different things, of images, shapes, graphics, anything you can think of that you can add to your image. If you upgrade to the Pro plan, you're going to get access to everything that they have. But you can also do so much more than just creating logos. You can create videos, presentations. I'll kind of give you an example here in just a minute when we're done with this of other things you can do with it. But let's just say this is our logo. We're done with it. We can come up here. I can share this if I want to. So I can click on share, and right here I can share a link. I can just copy this and send it to someone. They can review it to see if they like it. I can type in their email address here, and it'll allow them to view it so they can see what they think. You can also download it. So if we click this here, the ping file, basically this means it's going to have a clear background, a transparent background, which is probably best for most websites. So regardless of what color maybe your header is or what you're placing it on, it'll just fit right over top of it. You can also change the size of it. So maybe you're needing something a lot bigger. Maybe you want to put it on actual physical items. You can do that too. You can just download this file, and then you can give it to whoever is going to create this logo for you, and they can print it off. But if you're just creating something for your website, maybe YouTube, do something maybe 1,000 by 1,000, which is going to be plenty big enough. And then I usually select transparent background, and then you just want to download it. And that's all there is to it, to creating a logo and downloading it and having it ready. Now, the other things you can do, let me go back to home on Canva's main website, and you can see here that you can make presentations. You can do things with social media, things with video. I use the videos all the time. You can create videos, Facebook videos, mobile videos, YouTube ads, slideshows, TikTok videos, any kind of stuff like this you can do. You can print products. They have a lot of different stuff for marketing, for posters, flyers, blogs. And so what's great about this is if you do have the subscription to it, you get access to all this stuff. You can create it, and then if you want to, even for your clients, you have access to this tool, so you can do all that. Basically, if you create a lot of graphic stuff and you don't want to pay for like Photoshop or learn how to use that, because it can be very difficult to learn, you can just use Canva instead, and it's a whole lot cheaper to do. And then if you do a lot of stuff with YouTube, you can come up here in the search box, just type in YouTube, and it gives you all these different things you can create with YouTube. Your channel art, icons, thumbnails, video ads, gaming, it just goes on and on. And then so if you want to create channel art, you would simply click this. It's going to open up all these templates already made that you can edit with. And so let's say you want to do something here for maybe gaming. We could click on that, and it would open it up. You have this banner, you have everything. You can come in here, the same layout that you had with creating a logo, and you can edit everything. You have your editor up here and all different kinds of templates you can use over here. You can upload your own files, your own images, and use them. Different kinds of text you can add, and this works with logos too if you want to add different types of text like this. You can upload audio files, your own videos, embeds. There's just all kinds of stuff you can do with Canva. So check it out. That link will be below this video, which will take you to the logo editor, and you can try it out for yourself, see if you like it. If you do, you can upgrade it anytime and get access to all the media that they have that'll just give you more options. But this is how you create a logo for free using Canva. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please like it, subscribe to my channel, and if you have questions, leave them below, and I will try to get to them when I can. Thanks.